Exciting news and an update on the single run campaign, which again, just as a reminder, is your capability to send out a one-time mass email or text message to your clients. And just as a reminder, how I got here was under agency, all locations, and then selecting the location that I want to set up marketing for. But let's go ahead and take a look at our change here for single run. So as always, you have the capability to email or text this mass message to your clients. Now what we've added in here as the change is you can now select an age range for your clients. And where this could particularly be useful is for any agents that write health policies or Medicare supplement, Medicare Advantage, things of that nature. So could be particularly useful if you wanted to target those clients who are around the age of 65 for marketing. That could be a time frame when this could come in handy, but there could definitely be other applications for this as well. But we hope you will find this change useful at your agency. As always, please reach out if you have any questions.